Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to bring back your HP Deskjet 2600, 2700 and 2800 series and any other ones that look like this back online if it's offline and it's just not showing up at all on your Wi-Fi for whatever reason. Now it's quite a simple tutorial, so I'll show you how it's done. So first things first, we'll look at our printer and the first thing you'll notice is these buttons on the side here. Now we have a number of things, and you can read a bit more in depth in the user manual what they do. But the one we're going to focus on is the Wi-Fi button. Now the Wi-Fi button, if it's not flashing, it means it's not connected. So it's not going to show up on your phone or your computer or anything. So if you have previously already set up the Wi-Fi, to get it back online, all you have to do is press it once, and then that is that. However, if you have never set it up on Wi-Fi, you're going to need to put the printer into setup mode. And to do that, you're going to want to hold the Wi-Fi and the off button until you see the power button start to flash. There you go. And so now it's in setup mode. Now I have already set up the Wi-Fi myself, so I won't need to do that. But once you have it in setup mode, you can go onto the app and begin the setup process. Now that's a different video and it's by itself, so I won't be showing that today. However, what I will show you is that while it's in setup mode, if you hold the information button, the printer will actually print out a full Wi-Fi quick start guide. And I find this really useful. It's got three methods. The first method is using a mobile device, and this shows you to essentially download the HP Smart app, get the printer into setup mode, and then go from there. Now, one thing you want to keep in mind when doing this is you need to make sure you have Bluetooth on, make sure the printer is going to be connected to the same Wi-Fi as your phone, make sure you have your Wi-Fi password on standby, and so on and so forth. You can do it on a computer. Now, you can do it potentially with a USB cable, but you might need a specialized printer cable, which aren't very common in a household at least. Or if you have a Mac, you can just straight away download the HP Smart app, which is literally exactly the same as it is on the iPhone. And as you can see on the other side, it's actually a two-sided document. So there's even a third method where you can use the printer control panel with WPS. So yeah, now it's a good description as well. It shows you what the icons mean. Now remember, the I is the information button, and that's what we use to print this specific document here. Obviously, if you want to print this document, you're going to need to have some paper in there. Ideally, you're going to need 2 pages. I only used 1 page actually, and when it came out, I flipped it around and put it there. So hopefully that helps. As you can see, my printer is now online, and it is showing that it's connected. I can click it again and turn off the Wi-Fi, or I click it again and it's on. So yeah, we're good to go. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.